Bam 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 Cosmology Chapter 8. Let's get this started with cosmology. Is an awesome subject. It's basically about space. Yeah, I'm not gonna get copyright issues, am I? Alright. Cosmology is a great subject, and we're going to talk about space. We're going to really talk about the solar system, and of course, the Big Bang, which should be renamed the Big Expansion. Because there was no bang, it was more like a rapid expansion of space. And we are even going to talk about the fate of the universe, heat death, all that great stuff. Now, Carl Sagan were made of star stuff. See, right? Maybe. Because stars, when they die, they spew out iron and all the other things that are inside our bodies. So, technically, we are made of star stuff. And I am imitating Napoleon Bonaparte. I'm just kidding. The solar system, of course, is where there's the star system we're living in. And it starts with the song Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, Jupiter, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury is the... Oh, yeah, I'm not going to sing the whole song. It's an awesome song, though. Now, planets are, of course, not in, like, order like this. In fact, that's more like in different places at the year, because each of them have a different amount of time to actually orbit the Earth. I mean, the sun. Yeah, it's nice. And Jupiter is actually too small. The actual Jupiter is so big that you could actually fit 300 Earths inside it. So wait, here is a diagram. Now, this isn't relative at all. Here's several problems with it. There are 4 problems. The planets are not in a big line. They're not traveling at the same speed. In fact, if they circle the Earth at one time of the year, like at the same time of the year, then each of them would have less orbit speed. And the second, Jupiter is just too small. The actual Jupiter actually is big enough so it fit 1,300 Earths inside of it. It's heavier than the other planets combined twice over. And it's so big it is a storm that is wider than the Earth and has raged for centuries. And it's a very, very big planet. The third reason is that everything is far too scrunched up. Distances are actually much, much farther away. And the solar system actually stretches all the way to the Oort cloud and icy band of comets far, far beyond Pluto. And so, if you want a scale drawing from distance, this would basically be it. Size, not so same. However, you want a size scale, then this would probably be more it. And the sun is just at the edge right here with a 70 centimeter diameter on this page, and this thing is less, this whole diameter is less than 30 centimeters. And we've even sent, the first thing we've sent into space is basically a golden disc and with a plaque on it of naked women and men on it too, which is kind of insulted lots of people when they realized that's what was sent into space. And people think that if aliens do exist, they'll decode the CD, and we have no idea what will happen next. Will they invade Earth, or will they invade Earth, or will they just go ahead and try to make friends with us, or will they try to abuse us? I have no idea. In orbit, it's basically just falling across the Earth just fast enough so that your spin is the same speed as the Earth's spinning around. So you're basically falling fast enough so that you fall fast enough so that you fall over the edge of the Earth. Yeah, and that's all cosmology in a basic and that's all cosmology. Now, how would the universe work out? The universe exists because, let's just say, there are 2 demigods, matter and dark matter. Now, there are several scenarios on how the universe could end, and most likely, dark matter will win. If dark matter's energy is constant, then it'll eventually just rip apart matter. Everything will be gone. However, if dark matter energy expands, then it'll just destroy everything with the death of heat. Like, let me try that again. If the dark matter's energy is stronger, then it will rip everything matter apart. However, if dark matter's energy keeps getting the same, then it'll just go ahead and kill heat. There will be no more heat in the universe, so everything will be just cold. Matter will win some battles, but not every war. However, the first scenario I just told you, just before this one, matter wins nothing. However, if matter wins, if dark matter goes down, there are two possibilities that could happen. One, everything turns into singularity and nothing ever happens. And the second is everything just bounces back. It turns to singularity and it bounces back so that it becomes a new universe. The first scenario I just told you about matter winning is called the Big Crunch. And the second scenario, the one is my favorite, is called the Big Bounce. Because I would like the universe to never end, please. Even if it is just a restart, I like it to never end. And that's it. That's it. So next episode, I'm just going to tell you guys about why physics matters, and I'll see you guys soon. Signing out. Peace. Da 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 da.